Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. So guys, today I'm with another review. Today I'm going to review about a moisturizer, and it's called as Orzia cream. So before giving a review about this product and my experience, how I find this product, let me tell you one thing is that initially the product used to come in this the packaging, but now it has changed its packaging and it comes in a white container. So I have a doubt whether I am getting a duplicate product or not, because the product, that is this one, it had a very nice the consistency. The cream was quite light and it has a very good fragrance as well, but now it comes in this packaging and it has a the odor of it, I find it similar some Fevicol type, not really like that, but it smells is similar to that. So I just want to know that if you are finding the same thing, or I just want to clear my doubt if I am getting a right product or not. So guys, you can help me out by commenting in a comment section. So without any further ado, let's start with our review. Basically this product was recommended to me by my dermatologist. So she gave me this cream as a moisturizer since I had a very dry skin. So I apply the cream the only at night, and it has been a very good experience to me since I have been using it from 4 months. I must say the dry skin types people should definitely give it a try, but only after your dermatologist has recommended you. What happens is that once you use this cream, it makes your skin quite healthier, and it hydrates your skin as well, and it makes your skin quite a smooth and soft and supple. And but yeah, you should use it only after your doctor advice. Still, if you want to use it and just give it a try, so what you can do is that before applying to your face, you can do a patch test. Just apply a thin layer of it below your jawline or behind your ears, and see how your skin reacts to it. If you find it any irritation or redness, so I recommend that you should not use it, because it has been suggested by the dermatologist only. So the reason behind it, I'm telling you again and again, that use it after only dermatologist recommends, because there are certain creams in the market which has to be used only after your dermatologist recommends you, because there can be a adverse effect of it as well. So coming to its price, it's worth for the rupees of the 840 for a 50 gram, and but in this container it comes about 740 for 50 grams. So let me show you now it's the consistency. So it's purely the white the cream, and it does not last if you have many questions if it is a white cream then it will put a white cast on your skin. No, not at all. After using this cream, you will find that it leaves a little bit of shininess on your skin, and what you need to do is that whenever you apply this cream, you need to massage it very well so that it gets absorbed into your skin. So let me show you its texture. So yeah guys, so this is how it is. So all you need to do is that in circular motion, you need to keep on massaging on your the face, so until it gets absorbed into your skin. So yeah guys, so I must say you should use it, but only after your doctor advice. So this is how its textures looks like. One more thing is that as you can see on the packaging, it says that it contains 3:1:1 skin proportion. So basically it has been formulated. So 3:1:1 proportion means it contains in a 3 ratio of ceramide. So what ceramide do is it acts like a barrier to your skin, and it helps to retain the moisturizer. It strengthens your skin and it improves the hydration. So basically this is the logic behind this 3:1:1 of this moisturizer. So it also helps to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles, and it reduces the irritation as well. So coming to the 1:1 proportion, so best thing is that it also contains the fatty acids. Let me show you its ingredients. I think the ingredients are not mentioned over here. So the initial packaging which I have, they have a list of ingredients in this. So the major thing which I want to tell you is that about the 3:1:1 proportion is that the another one proportion is cholesterol. The best thing is that it contains the 1:1 ratio of cholesterol, because what happens is that as our age grows, our cholesterol levels goes down and our skins start decrease. Means the cholesterol levels start decreasing from as your age grows, like up to a 30, after 30. So you should always apply a moisturizer which contains a cholesterol as an ingredient into it. So what happens is that it makes your skin much healthier. It reduces the wrinkles as well. So you need to see that if your moisturizer contains a cholesterol as well. It also contains in a 1 proportion of the fatty the acids as well, because after the age of 30, your skin start decreasing with cholesterol and the fatty acids, and that's why you might find your skin quite dull, or it gets immediately react to other things as well. So yeah guys, so this was all about this cream. I hope you might find this quite helpful. If you have any queries, you can please comment in the comment section. I will be more happier to answer your questions. Yeah guys, so please show some more love to my channel, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can share with your friends so that they can get the helpful from my review. Yeah guys, so it's time to say bye, and stay safe, stay healthier.